disaster is one of the problems that the country is facing. Most fire accidents are caused by many hazardous materials, such as electrical failure or malfunction, an inadequate working environment, unattended cooking, and careless smoking. When high temperatures and flammable gases are present, objects may become more combustible, increasing the likelihood of fire incidents. Therefore, fire prevention materials are needed to decrease and subsequently eliminate any damage caused by a natural or human-caused fire disaster.
This study aims to develop a smart fire and gas detection system that will not only identify fire and gas mixtures using Arduino integrated sensors, but also alert property owners using an alarm system in the event of a fire incident. It aims to minimize false alarms and provide an early warning system to prevent severe damage. The prototype's name is FIRALEX,